Starting a landscaping company can be a fulfilling journey if you love working outdoors and have a knack for design. Let's break down the steps to get you started on the right foot. First off, you'll want to do some research. Check out what landscaping services are already available in your area. This will help you figure out what's in demand and how you can stand out. Are people looking for garden design, lawn care, or maybe hardscaping like patios and walkways? Knowing this will set the foundation for your business. Next, create a solid business plan. This doesn't have to be overly complicated, but it should outline your services, target market, and pricing. Think of it as your business's roadmap. It helps keep things clear and focused. Now, let's talk about equipment. Investing in the right tools is key. You don't need to get everything at once, but make sure you have the basics like mowers, trimmers, and safety gear. As your business grows, you can add more specialized tools. Don't forget to look into licensing and permits. Depending on your location, you may need specific permits to operate a landscaping business. Research your local requirements to ensure you're in compliance with laws regarding pesticide use, waste disposal, or water usage. Having all the necessary paperwork in place can save you from legal headaches down the line. Also, don't underestimate the power of good marketing. A simple, clean website and active social media presence can do wonders. Share pictures of your work and maybe even some behind-the-scenes action. People love seeing transformations, and it's a great way to showcase your skills. Consider offering seasonal packages to attract more clients. For example, you could provide spring cleanup services, summer lawn care, and fall leaf removal. Bundling services like these can increase customer retention and give your business a steady income throughout the year. It also shows clients that you're thinking ahead and ready to meet their long-term landscaping needs. LegalRegistration.com can help ensure your business is set up correctly so you're protected and ready to grow. You can reach us at LegalRegistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. Another great tip is to network within your local community. Partnering with local garden centers, real estate agents, or home improvement stores can help generate leads. Hosting workshops or offering free consultations at local events can also showcase your expertise and help you build trust with potential clients. Finally, start small and build gradually. Take on a few clients at first, and as you get more comfortable, you can expand. Quality service will lead to word-of-mouth referrals, which is one of the best ways to grow any business. Remember, patience and persistence are your best friends. Building a business takes time, but with dedication, you can turn your passion for landscaping into a successful venture.